Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will show you how to stop Facebook from showing your Facebook account to a people who have your phone number or who have your email address. So if you will disable this option, then the people who have your number and email address, they cannot find you in Facebook, or in their Facebook profile your account or your profile will be not suggested. In many cases, what happen, lots of our office colleague or the people, just because they have your phone number or email address, they see your profile in their Facebook suggestion and they are able to find. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to disable this. Open your Facebook profile and click on this top three line you can see on the top left, and here scroll down, and below you can see the option as settings and privacy. So the option, there can be some changes in the option. It's depend upon the update, the day-to-day update. You need to click on settings, but this is a place where you have to go, scroll up, and you will see the option how people can find and contact you. Click on this, and here you will see two options who can Facebook suggest your profile. First is the email address and the second is phone number. Click on this and you have to select no one and click on save. In same way, for the second option, mobile number, click on no one and click on save. So that's all. I hope you will find this video useful.